Welcome to Cute Clay Stories. Today I am here with the easiest recipe of cold porcelain clay which can be made with the ingredients easily available at home. I am adding 1 cup of glue. I am using Fevicol MR. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I suggest you to use synthetic vinegar. This acts as a preservative. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil. You can add any colorless oil. I am adding 1 tablespoon of white acrylic color. Mix all the liquid ingredients first. If you are a beginner and making clay for the first time, add half of the quantities that I mentioned. Add cornflour little by little and make sure to mix it without any lumps. The quantity of cornflour and glue should be same by measurement but not by weight. I mean, if you take 1 cup of glue, take 1 cup of cornflour. Don't weigh them. Look at the consistency. This is the perfect consistency you need. Now let's cook it in the oven. I generally cook it for 30 seconds each of 4 intervals. Mix after each interval so that it cooks completely. This is my 3rd interval. You can almost see a big lump of clay, but still some liquid is left. So let's cook it for 20 more seconds. Now take it out and mix everything. Make sure you don't overcook it. It's done. Let's knead it now. Add some cornflour. Knead it using cornflour. Make sure you use gloves if you are a beginner. Knead it for at least 10 minutes or knead it until it completely cools down. Now it's time for the teardrop test. It looks so good. Now apply some oil and cover it with a cling wrap. Store it in an airtight container. Rest it for 24 hours before you use it. These are all the cute little charms that I made with this clay. For more tips, tricks and tutorials, please do follow Cute Clay Stories.